Welcome Shadowing English US. Like, share, subscribe.
Hey Emily, how's your day going? Hey Emily, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you? It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just finished some errands. Not bad, just finished some errands.
Oh, what did you do? Oh, what did you do?
I went to the bank and then to the grocery store. I went to the bank and then to the grocery store.
Sounds productive. Sounds productive.
Yeah, I'm trying to get things done early. Yeah, I'm trying to get things done early.
Do you usually do your shopping in the morning? Do you usually do your shopping in the morning?
I try to, it's less crowded. I try to, it's less crowded.
That makes sense. I usually go in the evening. That makes sense. I usually go in the evening.
Do you cook at home often? Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I love cooking. It helps me relax. Yes, I love cooking. It helps me relax.
What's your favorite dish to make? What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably pasta with vegetables. Probably pasta with vegetables.
Yum! That sounds delicious. Yum! That sounds delicious.
What about you? Can you cook? What about you? Can you cook?
I can make a few simple things. I can make a few simple things.
Like what? Like what?
Fried rice, scrambled eggs, and toast. Fried rice, scrambled eggs, and toast.
That's a good start. That's a good start.
Do you usually eat out on weekends? Do you usually eat out on weekends?
Sometimes. I like trying new restaurants. Sometimes. I like trying new restaurants.
Me too. There's a new cafe near my place. Me too. There's a new cafe near my place.
Really? What do they serve? Really? What do they serve?
Mostly sandwiches and drinks. It's cozy. Mostly sandwiches and drinks. It's cozy.